I ain't fix my business, I fix myself. I mean, look at me. Just look at me. Bitch, it's a goddamn Everybody thinks you're supposed to know yourself at 18. That's the problem now. I thought every business model I seen was for me. I mean, goddamn, I used to wear a COVID mask because I was insecure as hell. At that point in my life, I should have never thought it was a good idea to start anything. I had no edge on anything in life. Then I woke up and I was like, nigga, get your shit together.
Is this you? For real? Get off fucking TikTok, nigga.
Shine, fellas, 3 in the morning. There was a shift in my mindset, like, yo, something just got to get. And the hard part, actually taking action. I'm a big ass procrastinator. So when I thought that I wanted a good physique, I waited like 2 years to actually get into the gym. Waited 2 years to actually get a job. Waited 2 years to actually live my life. And that's the main problem. I waited until the time was right. Like, what the fuck was I thinking? People talked about me my whole life. They talked about how skinny I was and how they could do this to me. And so I was goddamn immune to just not being shit. I thought this shit was my identity and you can't change. I was really skinny as fuck, as you can see, right? Then I came to a realization that I just can't keep living like this. I'm in bed on my phone scrolling. Like even right now, I don't even scroll. I fucking hate social media. This video right here is not even me no more.
I could just whip this bitch out and boom, make a memory.
And I'm gonna tell you the first shift right now.
Got my ass capping saying that I'm passing shit. Really? I got like 5 zeros, you feel me?
You may or may not have heard that the gym is always the foundation of your life. Growing up, it was basketball and football. I mean, goddamn, the gym was unheard of. In 2021, I used to do push-ups and eat like shit.
Nigga, go talk that. Draw the chalk on butt, nigga.
All while being a gamer, uploading Fortnite montages and hitting 1K subs on YouTube and that bullshit. 2023, I was kicked out of my mama's house.
Why you scaring me? Get out.
Lived in a domestic violence shelter. That shit was rough. Then I moved with my dad. I went to the gym and instantly went vegan in the span of a month because I seen potential in myself.
I've been waiting my whole life to call myself grown, nigga.
I thought it was the shit. I won't lie to you. I really thought my skinny ass was the shit for going to the gym. You know, I found this spark inside of me. People call it ambition. I say straight hunger, nigga. As life goes on and I kept living the same days with the same ass shit with the same people around me, I got more upset with my current situation. Then a real vision came behind me. People started seeing that I really wanted more for myself, and that's when you really have ambition. You really want something more for yourself besides this bum ass shit that we living in. It's 2025. I invested into a mentorship with nothing left in my bank account.
Slime. Can I do it?
I just invested my last. I got $300 in my bank account, dog. I'm just now coming from a job that paid me $290, and all my mission is to make myself and my parents proud. I'm like, fuck. Now you're wondering how the fuck didn't getting jacked affect my sales? It didn't. Good morning, we got a busy day. Today's lesson we teaching work ethic. You feel what I'm saying? Act like you understand that this says work ethic and understand me real quick, right? Nobody understands what this means. Work ethic isn't how long you work. It's about how fast you remove hesitation. Y'all niggas don't lack effort. Y'all lack decision speed. I'm not Mr. Almighty. I mean, goddamn, I'm inconsistent myself. But after reading books and actually investing to myself, I swear to you, the work ethic has definitely improved because I get it.
It's clicking like.
I'm getting to the point that you can bet on me that I'm gonna show up tomorrow. You feel me?
Shit.
Suppose you wanted to lose weight. I mean, fuck. You can't lose weight being on your ass thinking about the gym. I mean, goddamn. It's about how long you remove that decision fatigue, that James Harden hesitation, that LeBron hezzy special, that girl you want to link but you know she ain't good for you. Fellas, so since yesterday we had a slight decline. You know, we had 2 sales on eBay. Then we had 1 more sale on Poshmark. Hoodie, $14. Levi jeans, $12. Running sneakers, $16. As I document my journey, the more content I made, the more I list, more chapters I read, the more I eat. I mean, everything in life. The more I do, life just gets better. It makes no sense. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible, and I'm gonna be real with you. I ain't get no tape, no bubble wrap, no none of that. We simply don't have it. The payout ain't hit yet, and I promise you, I'm not using my personal funds to fund or business, period. No more. This is my first time doing it, and now I'm behind on certain things. We're seeing how it goes. Like, I'm just testing, but honestly, we're just seeing how it goes for now. You know, also want to admit for my future self, when I watch these videos, holy shit, is it hard to get to 8 minutes? Oh my God, why the fuck does making content long form most definitely take so much time? I'm not.
Like trap and junk, nigga. All the sights on me, baby. I ain't got no time to date. Said you wanted me right now, but I ain't got no time to waste. I got the best, no number best. I gotta elevate. Waste niggas in my function, cause I really made a way.
I just randomly checked my channel and yeah, 100 subscribers, nigga. Yo, you know what I'm saying? It's been like a smooth 2 months, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a smooth 2 months by the time you see this shit, by the time you actually listen to this shit on YouTube or some shit, because you know what I'm saying? Time is flying mad fast, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to be 17, you know what I'm saying? Ugliest motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Asking myself some questions. What are some good ass questions I could ask myself? Yo, Doug, if I could ask anything my future self, my main question, has you ever gotten a girl? Is my first question. Had you ever, what was your job, your first job?
Guess who got the job?
Yeah, nah. Did you change anything to your body? Did you get any scars? Did you get any accident? Did you hurt yourself? How far did you get in life before you wanted to give up? How much do you reminisce about being 16? Cause I know this life, you're never gonna get this shit ever again, ever. Like, I'm talking like ever, nigga. The amount of time I fucking have is fucking insane, my nigga. I think 2 days was a long ass time. There's nothing to look forward anymore once you actually figure out life. Nigga, I didn't figure out shit though. Nigga, I just lived this bitch.
All the sights on me, baby. I ain't got no time to date.
By the way, these airplanes over here, bro, today I woke up confused as shit. I'm here thinking about to die and shit. Fucking airplane sound loud as shit, closest to the fucking house and shit. Like, bro, I'm here sleeping. All of a sudden, it's like a fucking Japan again, bombed by World War II and shit. I've been looking up like how to like stop slurring my shit and stop being so fucking ghetto, pretty much. Cause like how I talk, nigga, that's ghetto as shit. Like, I talk ghetto as shit. Like, it's like as I get older, the more ghetto I talk.